Hi guys, so today I'm gonna play piggy. Got into the game. That was confusing. Okay, they probably escaped. I hope nothing happened. Oh god, it's a bot. I feel like it's a bot, it's just glitching. It's glitching now. I'm definitely going to that. It's glitching so badly! Here. Oh yeah, guys, I'm also making an RPG piggy meme. Yes, I'm also making a new intro. I just can't be bothered to do one of those things, you know. I'm boring, you know. I have to make my intro because I'm trying to get a new update, so I accidentally deleted stop. I have to re-download it. Oh my god. No, Mommy Pig's chasing me. Close the door. Okay, piggy. Mommy Pig won't come after. So. Come on, I have the yellow key! Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig! Okay guys, so down in the description. Now I'm not gonna edit this video. No. Why do bots always have to come from me? Me. Why me? Maybe someone else. No idea. How did that girl get her own? Did I just die or something? The game just started. Oh, so boring. Like if I try and get my bot's probably gonna go. Everyone's just choosing bot. Bot. Go bot. It's bot again. Just to wait till bot comes and opens the store. I'm gonna wait for Piggy to come. When I see Piggy, it's going to go down like Piggy. Damn it, I'm dead. Okay, there we go. How did Piggy get me? Ah! Glitching. I'll have to wait until I edit this video actually. And then I'll have to... Well, that would be I'll have to close in a while then.